Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear my Gmail inbox. As you can see here right now, they say it's full. So they want me to clear some space, or they want me to pay a monthly fee so I can get more space for my inbox. Okay, so what I did on this Gmail account, I just link NVR, one of my DVR, so I can get some backup of my cameras. Okay, but I'm not deleting it. Okay, as you can see, I got 29,922 messages. So all these things are pictures. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to delete. But if I try to say select, delete, it's gonna only delete 50 messages. So if I say I'm gonna delete 50 messages by 50 by 50, it's gonna take me maybe the whole days or 2 days. Okay, so the best way to clean your Gmail inbox is to click select. Okay, as you can see here, they say all 50 conversation, but I want to select all the messages. So what I can do here to select all 29,970 conversation. Okay, when you're done, you come to delete. Okay, as you can see here, confirm bulk action. This action will affect all 29,000. I'm gonna just say okay. Now it's gonna be loading. As you can see, it's busy deleting. As you can see here, it's deleting. If you check here on the inbox, as you can see, it's going down. You can see here. So it will take time. So it will depend how many messages you do have inside your inbox, but it will delete everything, as you can see here. So let's wait. As you can see here, we are now at 10,000. You can see now we are 9,000. It's almost finished. So as you can see here now, my inbox is empty. There's nothing left, but I still got this thing. So what you can do is go to bin. Here you can select all. You do the same here. You click delete. You click delete forever. As you can see here, this will affect all 81,000 and something. You click OK. So now it's deleting it from the bin. So you're gonna wait. As you can see here now, it's finished. As I still got this thing, don't worry, it's gonna go. Okay, if I refresh my inbox, now you can see it's finished. Okay, I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.